Hello everyone! Welcome to a new episode of Bo's Slow English. Today I am with my friend. Her name is Alexia. And we are going to do a Q&A, which is a question and answer, so that we can both get to know her. I'm still in Scottsdale, and she is a newer resident to this area. Before we get started, please click like, subscribe, and share my video with any of your friends who are also learning English. Okay, so here's my friend Alexia.
Hey everybody, how are you? Nice to meet you.
All right, Alexia, how long have we known each other?
Oh my gosh, since 2021, I think?
So right after COVID.
Yes, still kind of during COVID.
And how did we meet?
We met at work.
And what do you currently do now for work?
I'm a hairstylist.
What is your daily routine? My subscribers like to hear that kind of vocabulary.
My daily routine is mainly waking up at 5 or 6 o'clock in the morning. I take my dog outside, we go for a walk, and then I get ready for work. And when I get to work, usually it starts out with me opening up the salon and then getting everything set up for the first client of the day. Then our clients start to come in around 9 o'clock in the morning, and we'll do color, most likely a root touch-up. We like to get rid of the grays. Everyone wants to look nice and young. And then we'll do a shampoo, a style maybe, if they like their hair blow-dried and styled. And then we just keep that cycle going, and it goes all day long. My other salon, we do only blow-dries and styling. So you come in, we wash your hair, we blow dry you, we style you for your event, your birthday, girls' night, anything you want.
I'm sure you've learned a lot during that daily routine. How do you feel about Scottsdale and living here?
It's definitely very hot. So if you don't like the desert or the heat, you don't want to come here. But it's really nice. It's really fun. There's a lot of really good nightlife, good food, good restaurants, new things popping up, really good shopping. There's a lot of really nice homes. It's a very, an area with a lot of growth happening right now.
There are several restaurants out in Scottsdale that I have in LA. So that's really nice that you have so many different restaurants to choose from. Do you like the food out here?
I think the food is definitely getting better. We'll just say that. There are some really good restaurants that are out here, but yes, there are a lot of restaurants that are here from LA, which I also enjoy. It's very consistent, so I like that.
Before LA, before Scottsdale, where were you living?
I was living in Chicago. I grew up there from the time I was born, of course, until I was 19. And then I left when I was 19 after I graduated high school and moved straight to LA.
What's the weather like in Chicago?
The weather in Chicago is very cold during the winter. Winter and fall is really cold. It can get well below zero. And in the summer, it can be really hot. It can be very humid, but there are a few months throughout the year where it's really nice. It's very pleasant. Perfect weather, I guess, if you could say that.
We are going to Alexia's apartment complex. It's a newer apartment complex. So I will give you a tour. And we're also going to see her dog, Willie. Willie is so cute. What kind of dog is Willie?
Willie really is the cutest dog. He is a mix of so many things. I did a DNA test on him, but he is mostly a Chihuahua, and he's a rat terrier, and oh my goodness, rat terrier, Chihuahua, he has pit bull in him.
Oh.
I know. And he has Saint Bernard, believe it or not, a tiny bit of Dachshund, miniature pinscher. He's a mix of a bunch of things, but he's really tiny and really cute.
To be a mix of a lot of different type of dogs is called a mutt. People will actually call each other mutts if their ethnicity is varying like that. And can you tell me more about Willie's rescue story?
Willie's rescue story started out, I tried to adopt a dog 2 different times from the same rescue. Both times it didn't work out. I was out of town. I was just working, and then all of a sudden the dog that I wanted got adopted. Then a girl that I used to work with, her friend found a dog in her apartment complex and couldn't keep the dog. So my friend that I worked with messaged me because she knew that I had tried to adopt a dog twice and showed me the dog. And all I said was, "Oh my God, he's so cute. I want him." And she said, "Okay, do you want me to see if he's still available?" I said, "Yes." And so I started texting the girl that found him. And then the next day I went to go get him and he became my dog. So I don't know anything about his history. He was just homeless on the street, poor baby. And now he lives like a king.
Would you say he's living his best life?
Absolutely.
What brought you out to Scottsdale?
After living in LA for 14 years, I decided that living in LA wasn't for me anymore. And I have a sister that lives in Arizona. And so I decided to come out here and just start a new chapter. See if I could make a name for myself like how I did in LA. And I always liked it when I would come out here, and I like it out here. It's different. It's definitely hotter, but it's pretty, and everywhere that you go in the US, in the world, has its own charm, its own positives and negatives. But so far, so good.
And we have arrived. Let me show you. So you can see that this complex is large. It's huge, actually. It's very new. I will do a second video giving you a tour of the community. I will give you a grand tour in the next video. But really quick, I wanted Alexia to explain what it means to make a name for yourself.
To make a name for yourself means to make yourself known to others, and the scale could be anywhere from locally in your own town to internationally. People know you for what you do, who you are, what your personality is like, what your skill set is like. I feel like that's the gist of it.
Excellent. Well, thanks, Alexia, for joining this spontaneous Q&A, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Bye.